Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use a soundboard on Roblox Voice Chat. First, open your web browser and go to the official VoiceMod website. Download VoiceMod for Windows. After the download is finished, open the installer and follow the setup steps. When the setup is done, open VoiceMod. When VoiceMod opens, select your real microphone as the input device and your headphones or speakers as the output device. This allows VoiceMod to capture your voice correctly. After this, open the Soundboard section inside VoiceMod. You can test the built-in sounds by clicking on them. You can also add custom sounds from your computer. Make sure VoiceMod stays open in the background. Now, open Roblox and join a game that supports voice chat. If the game supports voice chat, you will see voice-related options in the game settings. If you do not see any voice or input device options, then that game does not support voice chat. If you do not currently have permission to use voice chat, you may not see an input device option. In my case, I don't have to input the option here, so I'll go to the output device option in the Roblox settings. The process is the same as changing the input device. Change the device and choose VoiceMod Virtual Microphone. This is required for the soundboard to work in-game. After selecting the correct device, close the settings and return to the game. Speak to test your voice, then press any soundboard button in VoiceMod. The sound will play through Roblox Voice Chat if everything is set correctly. That is how you use a soundboard on Roblox Voice Chat. Thanks for watching.